Hi guys, my name is Himanshu and my student ID is 300814993. In this piece of video, I'm going to tell you about security issues and software attacks. This I I use the term hacker attacks to indicate hacker attacks that are not automated by programs such as virus, worms, or Trojan programs. There are various forms that exploit weakness in security. Many of these may cause loss of service or system crashes, like IP spoofing, gaining access through source routing, man-in-the-middle attacks, session hijacking, service spoofing, DNS positioning, or password cracking. Some of the DOS attacks like ping broadcast, ping of death, smurf, teardrop, etc. Once you have determined the value of your data, you need to develop a set of policies to help protect it. These policies are called security policies and may help users, the IT department, and the organization in general. When writing your policies, you need to consider three things. First, what data may a user take home? If the user works from home or remote office and use the internet to transmit data, how secure must the data be within the transmission across the internet? What policies, network structure, and levels of defenses are required to secure your data depending on its importance, value, and the cost of defending it? The first item that should be defined are the policies related to the use and handling of your data. This will help you determine defensive measures and procedures. I have categorized policies into three different areas listing below. User policies define what users can do when using your network or data, and also define security settings that affect users such as password policies. The second one is IT policies, define the policies of the IT department used to govern the network for maximum security and stability. And the third and the last policy is general policy, a high level policy defining who is responsible for the policy along the business continuity planning and policies. Policy levels. Policies can exist on many levels of the organization, from a group or team level to department level, planet level, or global organizational level. Some policies may only be effective on a local level, while others may be enterprise wide throughout the organization. Security policy requirement. Security policies are an excellent way to complement the hardware and software security measures of an organization. Security policies can determine the method that both hardware and software are used. The policies will enable everyone in the organization to be on the same track. Every organization should have a steady security policy. It should be carefully written and checked by an attorney to be sure it does not create unnecessary liability. Requirement of the policy. The policy must be consistent to be effective. There must be similar levels of security in multiple areas such as physical security, remote access, internal password policy, and other policies. Clearly define goals of the policy, define roles of the staff in respect to the policy and security policies, define consequences of security policy violation, define expected privacy for users. Policy definitions. Policy may define procedures to be used or limitations of what can and cannot be done in the organization. Item that policies should define may include why is the policy existing and why a procedure is done and what is it. Who enforces the policy or performs the procedure and why? Why is the policy effective and where is the procedure done? When is the policy in effect or when is the procedure used? Now I'm gonna tell you about VPN, that's access policy control. And access policy control can be a part of the security policy document that may be separate. Control policy will define how access to the network is allowed and how it can be done. It should also define how access and external resources such as internet should be done. This access policy should define how access to other business resources is done. For example, this access may be done over the internet using some form of virtual private networking, that's VPN, or it may be done by modem. In any case, it should be covered in the policy to be sure that external accesses, where they're incoming or outgoing, are secure. So that's the end of my topic. Thank you.